Babe's treasure chest, Babe's treasure chest. Come shop at Babe's treasure chest.
What's up, guys? Welcome to our channel. My name is Ashley. This is Jay. We are Babe's Treasure Chest, and Jay has our quote of the day.
Yeah, today's quote of the day is, "Do not despise the serpent for its nature, but rather understand its nature and move accordingly."
I know that's right. Amen. Anyway, so we're going to do a quick video. We're going to break this up into parts so that y'all can get different information at different time. But we're going to talk about how we made $10,000 in 1 month on Etsy only. $10,000 plus in 1 month on Etsy, only using our heat press and Cricut.
Cry cut.
Cricut.
Cry cut.
Drop down below with how you say Cricut.
Cry cut.
So I want to start off by saying, I don't know if you all believe in spirituality stuff, but me and Jay, we manifested the day before this happened. We manifested and said, you know what? We're sick of working for other people. We're going to make this business happen. We're going to quit soon. We had a deadline. We had a month. We had our money value, how much money we need to have to save up to quit. Next day after we manifested, boom, sales. Bing, 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 sales all over the place. So I believe in manifestation. I believe you should manifest for your business, okay? All right, so we're going to talk about, first of all, what do we sell that made us $10,000?
We're selling masks.
What kind of mask?
We're selling mostly Black Lives Matter masks.
Black Lives Matter mask. And so, first off, the way we was able to get this $10,000 is because we hit 2 trending themes or topics, I guess, and we combined them into one thing. Our masks are trending because of coronavirus. So people are already selling masks. Then we have our second civil rights movement. Of course, rest in peace to George Floyd and everyone else who we are protesting for. But this new Black Lives Matter resurgence or civil rights movement has caused all of everybody, I guess you can agree, to want to have Black Lives Matter items, shirts, masks, earrings, all that. And we so happen to combine the two, the mask and the Black Lives Matter. So
And it worked out pretty well for us. We still sold the earrings and the shirts, but it was mostly just the mask that made us. About 95% of that $10,000 came from the mask.
Yes, we were selling other masks too. We were selling Father's Day masks. We were selling funny different masks.
Yeah.
The Black Lives Matter movement, 95% of our 10,000 came from that. So
95%.
It was of course a lot of Black people buying it. We appreciate y'all.
We appreciate all our customers.
There was also some white people
Black, white, and green.
non-Black people. So we appreciate y'all too. We accept you all's support. And one thing about that is a lot of people asked me were we Black owned before they were buying. So that was a really good feeling to know that people were actually trying to support Black owned businesses now. But yeah. What else? How we did? Oh, and so yeah, our masks, we just got a whole bunch of black masks. We got our heat press. We got our Cricut to cut out the designs, and that was so.
Another thing that we did to increase the sales was we did a buy one get one free. For those of you who sell things already, you know that people love getting things for free. So be mindful when you do that, because if you don't calculate it correctly, it can't eat into your profits. So don't get too caught up on okay, I'm going to just give somebody something for free just to get sales. Make sure that it still makes sense for your bottom line.
Yep. So y'all, we had a buy one get one free, and we had free shipping. So that was what set us apart from all the other sellers that were already selling Black Lives Matter masks. When you go on Etsy and type in Black Lives Matter masks, it's over 100 people selling it. But we were the only one doing buy one get one free and free shipping. Okay, So that's how we was driving in all those good sales. And yeah, so we made $10,000 in 1 month. Woo! It was real nice hearing that ka-ching, 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 ka-ching.
Yeah.
That was like $500 days.
Our highest day was,
I think it was like 728, 758, something like that.
But anyway.
All right, y'all. So that's part 1, how we did it. We're gonna come back with part 2, which is gonna be talk about our cons of having so many sales, and especially in a short amount of period of time. And also we're gonna have a tips video. That'll be part 3. So yeah, stay tuned for our other videos. Peace. Cat videos coming up.
And make sure you see what Riley and Leo are getting into.
Bye. Say bye. Say
bye. In a world where cats do nothing but off their owners and lay around on their lazy drinking up water, sleeping on everything that's around them, we find the story of 2 such creatures, Riley and Leo. Stay tuned. All right, it seems I'm inside of some type of device here. I'm not sure what origin. Maybe it's from Mars. It's very snug in here. Snug as a rug. I do like what I'm feeling in here. I feel very safe. And I think it's safe to say that I'm going to remain in here for a while. Just for a little while. I'm going to kind of see how the day goes. Pretty much.